Welcome to LuxQuest, your ultimate journey to discovering luxury destinations, experiences, and lifestyles around the world. How to make money on Facebook. 6 best ways. Facebook is a powerful platform for making money, whether you're a content creator, small business owner, or just someone looking to earn some extra income. Here are 6 of the best ways to make money on Facebook. 1. Create videos with in-stream ads. One of the most popular ways to earn money on Facebook is by creating videos with in-stream ads. These are short ads that play before, during, or after your videos. To get started, you need to have a Facebook page with at least 10,000 followers and 30,001-minute views on videos that are at least 3 minutes long in the past 60 days. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply to join the Facebook in-stream ads program and start earning revenue from the ads shown in your videos. 2. Add a paid subscription to your page. If you have a loyal following, consider adding a paid subscription option to your Facebook page. This allows your followers to pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content, such as behind-the-scenes videos, special live streams, or private group memberships. Facebook handles the subscription payments and you get a share of the revenue. This is a great way to earn a steady income from your most dedicated fans. 3. Collaborate with brands. Brand collaboration is another effective way to make money on Facebook. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products or services. If you have a strong presence on Facebook, you can partner with brands to create sponsored posts, videos, or live streams. Make sure to choose brands that align with your niche and audience to ensure the collaboration feels authentic and resonates with your followers. 4. Earn money directly from your fans. Facebook also offers a feature called Stars, which allows fans to send you virtual gifts during your live streams. Each star is worth a certain amount of money, and you can cash out your earnings once you accumulate enough stars. To enable stars on your live streams, you need to join the Facebook Level Up program and meet its requirements. This is a great way to monetize your live streams and show appreciation for your fans' support. 5. Run paid events online. Another way to earn money on Facebook is by hosting paid online events. You can charge attendees a fee to join your virtual events, such as workshops, webinars, or live performances. Facebook provides tools to create and promote your events, as well as handle ticket sales and payments. This is an excellent way to monetize your expertise or talent and connect with your audience in real time. 6. Drive visitors to your online store. If you have an online store, Facebook can help you drive traffic and boost sales. By sharing posts, photos, and videos about your products, you can attract potential customers to your store. You can also use Facebook ads to reach a larger audience and target specific demographics. Additionally, Facebook Shops allows you to create a storefront directly on your Facebook page, making it easier for followers to browse and purchase your products without leaving the platform. Conclusion: there are numerous ways to make money on Facebook, whether you're a content creator, influencer, or business owner. By creating videos with in-stream ads, adding a paid subscription to your page, collaborating with brands, earning money directly from your fans, running paid online events, and driving visitors to your online store, you can turn your Facebook presence into a profitable venture. Start exploring these opportunities today and see how you can leverage Facebook to achieve your financial goals. Thanks for joining us on LuxQuest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. See you in the next video.